from Tampa Bay's news leader, this is The Morning Show.
Still ahead on The Morning Show, some Tampa Middle School students send their science experiments to space, and they were quite surprised to see what happened.
Well, science at the edge of space, it's not just for NASA. Kids right here in the Bay Area got to send their experience sky high. 10 News reporter Grayson Comm was there as students at McLean Middle School in Brandon opened up their high-flying package.
When you see middle schoolers this excited about unwrapping something,
You guys ready?
Yeah.
it's got to be like a new iPod, right?
Almost there.
No, this is science.
And we'll take the inside cover out.
This is a mini cube, a tiny box that gets hooked to a balloon and can take items and imaginations right up to the edge of space. Gregory Cecil helped his students at McLean Middle School in Brandon pack theirs with 4 experiments. Up and up it went, 20 miles to the top of the stratosphere. And after that incredible journey, the cube came back here to Brandon. Team 1 thought popcorn kernels might pop up there with no air. No luck.
Thought it was gonna at least have one kernel that popped, but nothing happened.
Team 2 sent marshmallows.
And you thought they would
blow up, like get bigger. It's softer.
and the opposite happened.
Yeah.
Team 3 will have to wait for its results. They sent radish seeds. It'll take about 4 days to see if they grow the same now after their trip as ones that stayed on the earth the whole time.
I hope it's gonna grow.
And Team 4 sent a USB thumb drive packed with music, pictures, and information.
We were trying to find out if any of the images or sounds would be altered in any way, shape, or form. We thought it would be different, but I guess not, because everything here seems like it's working pretty good.
Their teacher once worked on the space shuttle program. For him, this is about much more than songs and seeds and sweets. It's about dreams.
I got to send something to the other side of space. I got to send something that was out of Earth, and that was really cool.
If they're shown that it can be done, that even they can do this, who knows what they're going to grow up and be? They can touch the sky.
In Brandon, Grayson Comm, 10 News.
Oh my gosh, I love that they are so excited about doing something like this. How in the world were they able to do this?
It actually just costs a few $100s. A group called JP Aerospace will launch that cube from California. The school is able to do it. They got a grant from the Armed Forces Communications Electronics Association. Hillsborough Education Foundation set up that grant. Definitely a school project these kids won't ever forget.
Oh my, and nor will the people watching it, because now I'm thinking, what else could they send up there and what could happen, right?
Exactly. Tucked into that tiny little cube, there were some really creative ideas, really inventive stuff. They learned about air pressure, radiation, all the different things that the temperatures too. We're talking 65 below up there in terms of degrees. So how will that have an effect on things? And the idea there is to take something that's a theoretical idea, like the stratosphere that you could never reach, and actually get your hands on it and see what it really does. So real world application.
Love it.
Instead of just learning, oh, on the board, let's take notes. They actually got to get up, do it. They were all smiles.
Exactly. And
because they were involved.
And these are students who may never have thought of science as something you could do as a career. And the idea of, I actually just did an experiment that went to the edge of space. What's to stop me from doing that with the rest of my life? It's
so important to see that they can do it and make a difference. All right.
Great group of kids.
Love it. Thank you, Grayson.